Hey guys, come along and join me for my morning workout, morning, afternoon, evening, whichever you want to do. But I always start out with a stretch, a nice long stretch. Really, I give myself about 30 seconds at least. Stretch the arms, stretch the legs, and I also do total workouts with nothing but stretching and mobility. But this morning I'm at the park, I'm loving it, and so I'm doing this nice long stretch before I get started. Then I get into this is completely body weight exercise. You're using your body to exercise. I'm doing a side knee raise, side knee raise. Probably doing about 10 on each side, and it's effective. You just got to get out and do something, okay? Let's go to the other side. Here we go. Side to knee raise. Side to knee raise. Make sure you lift your knee high. It's effective. The higher you go, the more effective it is. But you know what? Do it at your own pace. Just do it at your own pace. Just do it. That's the key, is to just do it. Just start. It's getting ready to be spring for it, and some parts of the world they're going to change the time. Go figure. Now we're doing the shuffle. We're doing the shuffle. It's a 4-corner shuffle. Come on, let's get it going, guys. Let's go. Let's go. And then we're going to just pulse it here. We're going to pulse it. Keep going. Put a little speed on there. 3-corner. Put a little speed on there. Put a little speed on there. You can do it. You can do it. Side shuffle, kick. Side shuffle, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go back to the 3, kick. Yes, kick shuffle. You can do it, guys. Come on. You can do it too. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's just a little bit about what I do in the morning. I'm going to come back with you in a part 2, okay? We're not finished. We're going to come back again.